Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be talking about 2 solutions to help with your at-home hair. As you guys know, for the last couple of months, I have been offering virtual consults, which for a small fee, I consult with you for 20 minutes and I assess your hair, and then I send you a write-up of everything that you need to reach your hair goals, whether it's products to help heal your hair, whether it's a toner to get rid of your warmth and brass, or whether it's a formulation to cover gray or to keep up with your roots. So that's one way that I've really enjoyed helping you guys in these months upon months where salons have been shut down. I feel so terrible for the salon industry. But aside from my virtual consults, I wanted to offer another at-home solution. So as you guys know, I've now been working with Esalon for over 5 years. And Esalon is an at-home color formulation service. You go online, do this super simple hair quiz, and they will formulate the color that is best for you. So it takes out all the guesswork. The formulas are salon quality. When I first went, I think in 2014, and visited the actual facility where the products are made, I was so incredibly impressed because they don't just pull colors off the shelf. They actually custom formulate each color for you. So this bottle here, which is intended for me, was literally filled with little bits of pigments to formulate the perfect shade for my hair. So anytime in the comments or clients ask for a better solution to boxed hair color, I always turn them to Esalon because Esalon is salon quality formulas while taking the guesswork out of finding out which formula and which level is right for you. So during the first lockdown, this is what I have been using on my hair. Has absolutely great pigmentation, which means it's going to cover gray really well. And they have a huge array of beautiful shades and tones that will absolutely suit anyone. And it comes with absolutely everything you need, from gloves to the bowl to an application brush. You will also get personalized, detailed instructions. Another thing I love about them is that they actually tell you the pigments that are in to build your color. That way, if you absolutely love that, it's really easy to go back and order the same thing if wanted. You've seen me do the actual application of the color. I will link that video below. I figured I didn't need to show you yet another time of me applying the color, but because of the times right now and how salons are shut down for a second round, I kept getting a huge influx of people with more questions. So I figured this video would offer good color and touch-up solutions for your hair during this time. All right, and for the next option, this is for those of you that maybe have never colored your hair or maybe a little afraid of doing at-home hair color, or you need something to tie you over in between the at-home color you are doing. And that is Esalon's Camo Mist. The colors I have here are medium dark blonde, medium brunette, and light brunette. So in the past, I was really looking to give myself much more of a dark rooted look, and I was really terrified to do it and then not like it. So I ended up doing it with one of the brown shades from Camo Mist and just painting it on, seeing how I liked it. And I ended up doing it because I did love the look. The beauty in these is that they don't stain your hair like a lot of color sprays can do to hair sometimes. But aside from color experiments, you can also use this obviously to touch up any gray, any coloring kind of more around the hairline that seems to pop up a lot faster than the rest of the hair that you've colored. So it's a very easy, non-invasive, foolproof way to just touch up your hair quickly and be Zoom ready. Because let's face it, where else are we going? So yeah, between these 2 solutions, you are pretty set. A lot of questions I get in my virtual consults is, I want to do something because I can't take my hair anymore and I need to do something to these roots, but I also want to do something that my hairdresser's not going to kill me when I go back into the salon? My answer is always, if you're keeping up with your roots and you're not creating any mistakes by, using the wrong color. As a hairdresser, that is far easier to touch up once we are able to get back into salons than having roots down to here. And so using Esalon, you're eliminating making any crazy harsh mistakes with your color. And the fact that it's salon quality formulas, your hair is not going to be compromised either. So your hairdressers will love you for that. And also, in my opinion, you should never, ever fear your hairdresser. It should be an open communication. And I personally feel as a hairdresser, you should want the best for your clients, and you should absolutely understand too that your clients still have lives. And even though we're quarantined, we're still working via video or whichever way. And to me, hair is personal care. So I don't care if I don't see anyone for weeks on end. I still want to wake up and love my hair. So hopefully with these options, you too can love your hair more. I hope if you've been thinking about coloring your hair at home, I hope this information has helped you kind of decide what it is that you need. And yeah, I hope everyone's doing well. We'll get out of this and hopefully with good hair. So I will leave the information for Esalon as well down below if you want to start with your first kit. And as always, with ordering through my link, you get a discount, which is amazing. All right, guys, love you. Hope you're all doing well, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.